Hey, what's up everyone? Pierre speaking. Let's take a look at my latest manual swap, which is my 7th. This is a 2010 Crown Vic, formerly OPP car, Ontario Provincial Police in Canada. Solid car. The owner did a lot of modification on the suspension. Everything's been replaced, upgraded, control arms, sway bars, everything. Very rock solid car. So I used a Tremec 3650, which was provided by the owner for the swap. Hurst short throw shifter and handle. ADTR's second version of their hydraulic kit, which works wonder. I know it's not being released yet, you guys being very patient. I know I've been talking about that for months, but it does work wonder. Very smooth, friction point is spot on, no awkward position. It really feels like this is the real thing. Car has been tuned by the guys at Mo's Speed Shop, by Marty and Jeff. Best customer service in town, that's for sure. That little trim here provided by John Linsky for the shifter delete on the 05 Plus steering column. Also removed the shifter indicator. Very nice car, really proud of it. This is a rather long handle, longer than the one that I have in my own car, but I actually dig it. I mean, it feels good. It feels right. Unlike in my car where I had to make a bracket here to set it back a few inches. I mean, this one is just like bolted on right there right now. It looks great. So if you guys want to know, this is this part number from Hurst. Although I haven't used the provided shifter booth because it kind of looks way too big for here. This is not a final result, so we're going to be working on something with the owner when he picks up the car. But the seal, everything's been sealed in the trans tunnel, so no road noise coming from that. Very nicely done, man. Love these car, man. So neutral safety switch works. It just feels great, I'm telling you guys. That latest it just works perfectly, man. It feels great. That's the most important thing about this generation of pedals. So here it is. If you have any question, info, or things you want to know about this swap, let me know. I'll be more than glad to talk about it more in details. So as usual, thanks for watching.